안녕하세요, 여러분. 제 이름은 김락준입니다. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Kim Lakjun, and today I will teach you about advanced Korean grammar. That is, name is Thusi. Okay, Thusi. This name is Thusi, or Dot, you can say. Okay. This says following the verb, following the verb, this ending, this ending says the meaning of as as or as if, okay, or like, or such as, okay, and sometimes, okay, sometimes to say, 1 second, to say, sometimes this to say is used as instead in English, okay. Okay, so let's learn about how to use this grammar while making Korean sentences. Okay, okay, okay. Till here, everyone understood? Following the verb descending says the meaning of, says the meaning of as if, or like, or such as. Sometimes to see is used as instead in English. Okay. Let's learn with the sentences. First sentence. Let's take first example. Sentence practice. Practice. Munjang Yongsam. Yongsam. Okay. First example. That that kid that kid is playing quietly as if he is not at home. Okay. So how you will write this in Korean? Okay, that kid is playing quietly as if he is not at home. Okay. So you can say like this. Ku ainan jibe. Ku ainan jibe omnan tase omnan tase joyong he norayo. Okay, norayo. Okay, very good. So that kid is playing quietly as if he is not at home. Okay. So kuainen jibe omnandasi joyongi norayo. Okay, very good. Let's take another example. Okay, second example. Okay, second example is it was incredibly noisy as if some very important important guests were arriving. Okay, okay. So how you will say this in Korean? Okay. Dedanhan. Okay. Or take another karana. Okay. So you will say like de dan han. Okay. Sonnim. Sonnimi rado. Onan. Onan thuse. Onan thuse. Soran su ro. Not a. Okay, 1 second. It will be deleted. 1 second. Thuse. So run. So ro Vajio. Okay, let me write again. So run. Okay. So so run. So ro Vajio. Okay. Dedanhan Sonni Mirado Onandase Soran Soro Vajio. Okay. Very good. Everyone understanding the pattern sentence? Okay. So you can repeat it after now. You can just repeat it. I'll give you 30 seconds. Repeat it. Okay. Let's take third example. Okay. Let's take third example. As the river water meets at sea, so do we meet again someday. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So how you will say this in Korean? Okay, it's very simple. Okay, let me try with the blue color. Okay, so gang muri. Okay, gang muri pada esa. Gang muri pada esa dhasi manan dase. Manan dase uri. Uri do. Uri do onje. Onjen ganan dhasi mannal komnida. Okay, gangmuri padaesa dhasi mannandosi urido onchen ganan dhasi mannal komnida. Okay, okay, I hope everyone understand this class. Okay, if you have any doubt, if you have any questions, please you can comment in the box. I will explain you in the class. Okay, yeah, we'll see you in the next class. 안녕히 계세요. 감사합니다. 다음 수업에 만납시다. And 여러분, please subscribe our channel. Okay, yeah.